How to create video in Canva with music. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your Canva account. After that, select the option of templates on the home page. And over here, you need to search for video. Whether you want a YouTube video or a reel video, depending on the kind of video you want, simply select any particular template. In this example, we will take a YouTube video. And here you get different templates. Either you can go with any of the template over here, or you can create a blank one. Let's create a blank one. And here you can add different videos. Either you can upload video from your device, or you can simply get one from the elements section over here, like shape. And then we can select the option of videos, and here we will get different videos of different shapes that we are looking for. Simply drag and drop these shapes over here, and you can also resize them on the canvas. You can also add more videos to this timeline by just dropping the videos on this timeline over here, and you can simply move around these videos in order to put them in different sequence if you want to. And you can also shorten their length by just dragging and dropping this way. And let's play this up. So this is how it will look like. And here you get this option of add audio as well. Simply select this option and you would get these options at the left hand side panel, and you can select any of the audio according to the mood that you want to set for this particular video. You can also upload any MP3 file and then use that up as well. Suppose we want to use the epic motivational. We will select it and simply drag and drop it over here and align it with our video. You can also adjust the part of the audio that you want to use for this particular video by just moving around, holding and moving around this way. And this is how easy it is to create videos using any audio of your choice on Canva. And after it is ready, just simply click on this option of download in order to download it and check it out. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.